Good morning, everyone. It is a Saturday. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. My morning, because we can sleep in on weekends. Nothing to report. No anniversaries. It is not a holiday. It's a Saturday, but Steve has planned the day, so I've gotten all gussied up. I don't know what is in store, but it is one of our surprise days, and I'm excited to see what we're doing today, and I thought I'd take y'all with me so I can remember these memories. Why are we going to a grocery store? Ow. We're going to go to Aurora, which is a big lights festival. That was my guess. And turns out it is that way, the opposite direction, which Steve just told me. And he said, Steve, what'd you say?
We're going on a mini road trip.
We're going on a road trip! I love car rides! Whitaker Equipment.
I think we're parking over there.
You're buying me construction equipment. Ooh. Oh my gosh! It's the Polar Express! Oh my gosh. We have 2 tickets to the Polar Express! Oh my gosh, there it is! There's the Polar Express! This is so cool! Here we go! Wow! Anywhere. Here? Let's sit here.
Have your attention. A couple of quick announcements. There are 2 big buildings when we get to the North Pole. The first one, of course, has Santa Claus, Mrs. Claus, and mini rail. You can build a steam locomotive. Don't forget to go up in the cab of the Royal Hudson. But then when you're finished all those activities, go to a second building at the far end behind the passenger car, turn left. Takes you into Santa's workshop where you can decorate a gingerbread cookie and take it home with you. Also, there's face painting and other activities. So don't forget to visit both big buildings in the North Pole. Please have your golden ticket ready for your conductor. Thank you.
Tickets, please. So you have 1, 2. What do you have one?
I'm with him.
I need to.
Yeah, you can get there and back. Where's yours?
I'm his carry-on.
Carry on. You look strong enough. Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow. Look at that cookie. I got a cookie.
Tossed it up to Santa.
Oh my gosh, it is. It's the Hot Pocket song.
Is that yours? It's
Oh my gosh, we're in the North Pole. Wow! It's the North Pole! Cool! This is beautiful! Wow! Oh, Santa's workshop's over there. And I think Santa Claus is over there. Ah, there's the big man himself and his wife. There's Santa. Really sick miniatures going on right here. Wow.
It was moving before too.
Ooh, very cool. More trains. Now this is the coolest train setup I've ever seen. Ever. Ah! It's making the popcorn go.
So that's fixed that.
Yeah.
It's moving.
Cool. Got Thomas. Wow. There's so many. Oh, found a steam engine. Cute. You can get conductor hats, Polar Express merch. Oh, you can even get the lantern.